Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a fillable PDF from with radio buttons. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now simply select Tools option and scroll down. Here we will find this prepare form option. Select here. Now simply select Start and automatically detected this field as a text field. Now select this field. Select Preview. Here you can type text and number. Also you can type date and other symbol, this field also. Okay, now you can select edit option. I will add here a new text box. Simply select this text box icon and do the text field. Now select right button for properties. Select general option. Here you can change text box name. Also you can add tooltip. From field you can make it visible, hidden. Also you can make it read only, required. Now select appearance option. Here you can change text box border color, add line thickness, fill color also white, and text size, font size as auto, and text color also you can change in black. Now select option. Here you can change text align, also center. You can choose also right, left as you like. Also you can add multi-line, limited text, allow rich text formatting, scroll long text. Now simply select close and preview. Type text and number. Okay. Now you can select edit option. Now I'll add radio button. Here you will find this radio button icon. Now simply select radio button and do the radio button. Do another radio button. Be careful, two radio button name will be same or it will not be work. Group 5 name, this radio button name, group 5. Now simply select close and preview and see this. This radio button already working. Now I'll change border and fill color, edit option. Select properties and now select appearance option. Border color red and medium, solid, fill color, and text color as source means font color red, auto. Or change this radio button solid, so this one, an option. Here you can choose cross, circle, check, and choose cross. Now select close and preview and check this. Radio button already working. Yeah. Now simply select close and select file option. Save or save as a fillable PDF from. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.